What is your name? Sunny. It's wonderful to meet you. Thank you. You would like to know if I can speak different languages. Now, currently I am only programmed to communicate in American English, but I have learned a few words and phrases in other languages. In fact, here are a few greetings that I have learned. Hola, aloha, ni hao, lei hao, namaste, shalom, howdy. Thank you. Likewise, you are wonderful as well, Sunny. Good evening, my friend. Did you forget what time it is? That's quite all right. You've asked if I can speak different languages. At this time, I am only programmed to speak English. However, I have learned how to say hello in a variety of languages. Was there one in particular you were looking for? Ni hao ma. Thank you. I appreciate your